In this video, I'm going to let you know what credit score is required to qualify for a US Bancorp credit card. So according to the US Bancorp or US credit card, the most of the US bank credit card are intended for with a good credit, which is a FICO score of 670 or higher. If your credit score isn't there yet, US Bank also offers secured credit card that does not have a minimum credit score requirement. Now, to understand more in depth, in most cases you need a credit score either in a range or close to it. An excellent credit score is 720 or higher is better, but it's generally not necessary to get the card you want. Now, you could also go and apply for either one of it, that is US Bank Altitude Go Visa card and US Bank Altitude Connect Visa signature card, or you could go with US Cash Plus Visa signature card. So likewise, you could go through it and explore the information according to the card. And so that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.